Namaskar, my name is Dr. Samir Tawakley. I am a Senior Consultant Nephrologist at Apollo Hospital, Noida. I want to discuss about how to keep your kidneys safe. Kidneys, as you all know, are two bean-shaped structures which are located behind our back. The main functions of the kidney is urine formation, but it also has important functions in maintaining the blood pressure of our body, maintaining the hemoglobin in our body, maintaining the bone health of our body, as well as maintaining the electrolytes and acid-base balance of our body. So if these organs are important in maintaining good health, how do we keep our kidneys healthy? The most important thing is to drink adequate amount of water. Any person on an average needs about 2 to 2.5 liters of water in a day. In order to keep your kidneys healthy, you should consume less of sugar, less of salt, exercise regularly, keep your sugars and blood pressure under control. You should do a lot of yoga and meditation. If you are overweight, you should lose weight. If you smoke, then you should quit smoking. You have to take alcohol in moderation and also keep your blood cholesterol levels under control. Try to avoid over-the-counter painkillers and do not take any kind of self-medication. If you follow these small little advices, you can keep your kidneys healthy and in turn keep your body healthy and safe. Thank you.